Hey guys, I had this whole review set up for these mid-range speakers, and when they showed up on my door, they were slightly damaged. A little bit denting on the rim there. There's a dent in the actual basket. Other than that, they're nice. I guess I'm not sure if that's paper or plastic. There's no rubbing, which is a good thing. You can see a little bit of damage there. The problem is, when the guy shipped them, he shipped them in these boxes in a plastic bag. So I had every idiot that's delivering these things throwing them on basically wherever they go, which is not how you pack them. I mean, I've had dog food that was in a box put into another box and delivered by Amazon. I buy almost $30 speakers. You'd figure that they would put them in another box, but no, they basically threw them in a plastic bag, and I wasn't even sure it was my delivery until I got it. And as you can see, it's a little rough. But take this one out, it hasn't been unwrapped yet. I'll see the damage is like on this one. I'm not going to bother sending it back, because obviously it would take forever. Not rubbing, it's a good thing. Same thing. As you can see, it's pretty beat up. Not happy about that. But this part here isn't bent, so it's not going to really affect the sound. The magnet's not damaged in any way. It's not coming loose. This one's actually in better shape than that one. It's not damaging the corner. But they are nice. Sealed back. There's the GM-85-4 made in China. Nice chunky magnet on the back. If you can just get past the fact that the guy can't ship worth of shit, that's just irritating. All I'm going to really basically do is put it on a flat surface and just push it back, maybe with a chunk of wood or something, so I don't mar it. But they are nice. No review, just basically showing them off. You can use them for a project. Later, guys. Oh, better. They sort of straightened out, as you can see. As good as it's gonna get. You're not really gonna see the dents once you get them in the box. Good enough.